Picture this. You crush your quarterly goals. Your company announces record-breaking profits on the news, and the CEO is smiling on CNBC. You walk into work thinking your job is safer than ever. Then, 2 hours later, you get a generic calendar invite for a quick sync at 4:30 p.m. Suddenly, you're handed a cardboard box and a severance package.
It makes absolutely zero sense, right?
My name is Mike, and I spend way too much time thinking about corporate finance and economic trends. If you're someone who is trying to navigate this chaotic job market and protect your financial future, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out.
Look, we've been conditioned to believe a simple assumption. Layoffs happen when a company is failing. If revenue goes down, people get cut.
But here's the thing. That is a lie.
Look at the tech sector alone. Over the last couple of years, massive tech giants with billions in net income laid off tens of thousands of workers. We're talking about companies growing their bottom lines by 20 or 30% year over year, yet still cutting 5 to 10% of their staff.
Now, you might be thinking, Mike, that's just corporate greed. And look, maximizing shareholder value is definitely part of it. But the actual mechanics driving this behavior are rooted in a brutal mixture of math and investor psychology.
Here's what most people don't realize. Wall Street doesn't reward companies for being profitable today. They reward companies for growing faster tomorrow.
Let's do some quick math. Imagine a company makes $100 million in profit this year. Sounds amazing, right? But if investors expected them to make $110 million, that $100 million is actually viewed as a massive failure. The stock price plummets. To fix this, the company looks at its biggest expense, payroll. If an average engineer or manager costs the company $150,000 a year in total compensation, cutting just 100 of those roles instantly shaves $15 million off their operating expenses. Boom! Suddenly, that $100 million profit jumps to $115 million on paper. The stock bounces back, executives get their bonuses, and Wall Street is happy.
But this is where it gets really interesting. It's not just a numbers game. It's a psychological phenomenon called social proofing, or what I call corporate copycatting.
Think of it like high school. When one major tech or finance company initiates a layoff and their stock price goes up, other CEOs look over and think, if they're doing it, maybe we should too. Layoffs give executives a convenient cover story. They can cut underperforming departments or pivot toward automation and AI without looking like they are mismanaging the business. They tell the market they are focusing on efficiency, and the market eats it up.
It's frustrating. It feels unfair. Because it is unfair. The psychological force here is that corporations view human capital as a variable cost, not a loyal partnership.
So, knowing this, what are you supposed to do? How do you protect yourself when profitability is no longer a shield for your job security?
You need to take 2 actionable steps immediately.
First, decouple your financial survival from your company's success.
If you don't have a liquid emergency fund covering at least 3 to 6 months of expenses right now, you are playing financial Russian roulette. Do not invest that baseline safety net in the market. Keep it high yield and accessible.
Second, maintain your market independence. Treat your career like a business where you are the product. Keep your resume updated, spend 15 minutes a week expanding your professional network, and never stop upskilling, especially in areas like automation or AI that companies are actively hiring for.
Don't let a corporate boardroom dictate your financial peace of mind. Build your own fortress.
so that no matter what email lands in your inbox at 4:30 p.m., you are ready.
Drop a comment below if your company has been going through these efficiency phases. Let me know how you're handling it, and I'll see you in the next video.